Okay, hello everyone. This is Casey from WebBuddy. So recently there has been quite an issue with WP engine with the official WordPress automatic company. So this means that currently the ACF plugin, the latest version 6.3.6 that's available in the WordPress directory is not the latest version. The latest version right now is 6.3.7 in ACF website that you can scroll down and download the plugin. Because of their dispute, so WP Engine won't be able to put up this latest version in WordPress directory. So that's why there's no update button over here. So we will need to manually update by downloading this zip file and then moving on in future. After you install 6.3.7, then you will be able to click the update here because from that version onwards, they will be pulling in the data from their own WP engine. So hope that I make this pretty clear. So I will put down the URL here in the description of this video. So the step to update is that you need to click here to download this zip file in your computer. So once you download the zip file, go back to your WordPress plugin page and click add new plugin. So once you click add new plugin, you can click upload plugin. So once you on this page, just click choose file and click on the file that you have downloaded. So it's 6.3.7.zip. So click install now. So you will see that it says the current version is 6.3.6 and the new version is 6.3.7. So I will choose this replace current with uploaded. So once you click this button, it will upload and replace the file. Okay, so once you click this link, it will go back to the plugin page, and now you can see that the ACF is updated to 6.3.7. So moving on from here, whenever there's update, it will appear here so you can update. Okay, so I hope that you find this video useful, especially if you have website using advanced custom fields, which is a very popular plugin that I would say almost half of our clients are using this plugin. So go ahead and use this method to update your plugin to the latest secured version. If you like this video, please go ahead and give it a thumbs up and subscribe to my channel. Thank you.